This video is going to be a Nainital vlog.
We are in Nainital.
Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. It's me Navya, and for today's video, I am so excited I can't even express. We are finally going on a vacation to Nainital. Before going to Nainital, we actually have to stop in Rampur to attend a wedding. So we're gonna attend that wedding. I'm not gonna vlog there, but I'm gonna jump to when we reach Nainital. So and yeah, here we are. I am so excited, especially like the view and the villa. I'll show you the villa in just a second, but it was like a 5 to 6 hour drive. And yeah, let me show you the villa real quick. So this is the entry. You just walk up here. This is our villa. It's like a 1-story villa, so we have a little seating area over here. View is also really good. So you enter. We have a little drawing room. Everybody say hi. And that's like another sitting area. Hi Suman Mami. We already have kept like our luggages and stuff. So this is our first room. And then this is the kitchen, which I don't think we're gonna use. Yeah, this is like an outer balcony space which is connected to another area over there. And these are the stairs to the first floor. This is like another sitting area for the first floor. This is like another room up here. Wait, is it locked? Okay, there you go. And this is the second room. TV, little sofa area. I'll show you that in a second. The bed, the dressing area, and the washroom. And when we move out, we have a separate balcony for this. So this is like the separate balcony. And now we are heading off to lunch. I'll see you guys once we are done with it because I'm really hungry. So guys, we just finished lunch. It was so delicious, and I realized I didn't told you guys where I was staying at. So we are staying at Allure Villa Resort. This is actually my father's friend's resort, so we stayed here earlier, but this is gonna be like a very chill, relaxing trip. Hi guys, so I know the video quality is really bad. It's around 8:30 p.m. and it has started raining here, which is so great. Like, it's starting to be a little chilly. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, it's raining. So we're gonna get ready. We're gonna go downstairs for like celebrating my mom and dad's anniversary, like clicking pictures and stuff. So let's go. Right, so you guys, we came down here like an hour ago. We did like a little setup, like we asked them to do. So we're gonna cut the cake, and yeah, I'll insert some pictures over here. Hi guys, so we are back.
Very tired,
Very tired.
but a grateful day thanks to my daughters.
You're welcome. But now we're gonna change and we're gonna play some cards and games. कुछ बोलो ना ऐसे कैसे? Hi guys, good morning. It's the next day and I am sitting outside for breakfast. I'm a little late, but that's all right. I'm having my breakfast. I'm having bambino and paneer ka paratha. Amazing. Today's plan is we're gonna do like some sightseeing stuff. Like we're gonna go to Mall Road. Also, I really like my outfit today. I'll show it to you in just a second. Let me show you the weather. This is today's fit. 1, 2, 3. We are in Nainital. Having this really amazing chili in this beautiful weather. Right, so guys, we are here at Mall Road. Right now, we're just gonna park our car and I'll take you guys along. So yeah, let's go. Hi guys, it has been like an hour since we are in this shop. Like not we, my mom and my dad. I am so tired. I just got one thing till now. But yeah, bye. Alright, so guys, we came back and I changed into my night suit. Today was such an amazing day. It was a little bit tiring, but I am quite happy with today's day. But I guess it's around another, what time is it?
It's around 9:30.
Okay, so it's around 9:30 right now. We're going to grab dinner in like a resort only. I don't know how it looks like at night, but yeah, we're gonna go grab some dinner, play some games, and this will be the end of this vlog. This was like the part 1. The part 2 is gonna be up next Thursday. So yeah, that vlog is gonna be of another destination and it's gonna be really exciting. So turn on post notifications if you guys haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thank you, Anhat.